Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to organize passwords in Proton Pass in 2026. If your vault is messy and you want to manage your logins in a clean and structured way, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open Proton Pass on your browser, desktop app, or mobile app and log into your account. Next, go to your vault where all your saved passwords and logins are stored. Now start by reviewing your existing entries and identifying which accounts belong together. Next, create folders or categories such as work, personal, social media, banking, or shopping. Now move your saved passwords into the appropriate folders by dragging and dropping or using the Move option. Next, rename entries if needed so they are easier to recognize at a glance. Now delete any duplicate or unused passwords to keep your vault clean and organized. Next, use tags or labels if Proton Pass supports them to further categorize important accounts. Now make sure your most important accounts are placed in a secure and easy-to-access folder. Finally, regularly review your vault and update your organization to keep everything structured and up to date. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to organize passwords in Proton Pass. Your vault should now be clean, organized, and easy to manage. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.